Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Word. Open a document so settings apply to the active profile. Once the document is open, click File, then select Options at the bottom. Make sure you're using the desktop version. Web or mobile interfaces differ. After Options opens, go directly to Proofing. This is where Word keeps spellcheck and autocorrect controls, so you can change behavior globally versus per document. Take this step now, so the next changes affect all future typing and existing documents. Once in Proofing, uncheck Check Spelling as you type to stop automatic corrections and squiggly red lines. If you also want to stop grammar prompts, uncheck Mark Grammar Errors as you type. This reduces interruptions. Next, click Auto Correct options to inspect replacement rules. Remove or edit any entries that change capitalization or common words automatically. Make sure to apply changes to the correct language if you work in multiple languages. These steps control both passive marking and active replacement behaviors. After adjusting settings, click OK to save and close the Options dialog, then restart Word to ensure the changes apply. Once restarted, test typing a known misspelling to confirm no automatic correction or red underline appears. If corrections persist, check the proofing language for your document and verify it isn't set to Do Not Check Spelling. Also disable third-party add-ins or auto-correct entries that may reintroduce behavior. If needed, reset Word settings or repair Office via Control Panel to resolve persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.